The indices of the two GeoSeries are different. Understanding indices. I am working with geopandas and I have two geodata frames with the same CRS. One of them contains a geometry column with a polygon geometry, the other one a column with point geometry. I want to check which points are inside the polygon. Naively I tried. This gave me. I do not understand this message. When I check the documentation, it says, we can also check two GeoSeries against each other, row by row. The GeoSeries above have different indices. We can either align both GeoSeries based on index values and compare elements with the same index using align equals true, or ignore index and compare elements based on their matching order using align equals false. What are these indices? Why are they checked against each other and not the geometry columns? Online I read, I have to convert my geometries into shapely geometries. But isn't the whole point of using geopandas that I can perform geographical operations on the data? I am confused about this. How to check if the geometries in shape contain any of the geometries in points?
What you are describing is effectively a spatial join. Below example constructs points from lon/lat of cities in UK and then finds which administrational area polygon the city is in. This is an NXM comparison.
What are these indices? Simply speaking, index is name of row of pandas.data frames or entry of pandas.series. Aligning using indices is useful if you have data which overlap only partially. Consider following example. Let's say you have daily data from two sensors but second was turned on later, then you might prepare pandas.data frame as follows. Output. Observe that nan, denoting unknown value, were inserted for day 1 and day 2 for sensor 2.
The contains operation doesn't do the full NXM comparison. It can check which of the polygons contain a single point. Or if you provide it with two series, it will check whether the first polygon contains the first point, the second polygon contains the second point, etc. The error you're getting is GeoPandas trying the second option, but the points and polygons don't align, so it can't do the element-wise comparison. It sounds like you want the full all polygons times all points comparison. You can do that by iterating over all of the points. Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.